How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys the best shoulder workout that you can do at home without equipment. Before we begin though, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. If you're also interested in online personal training from me, my email is in the description box. Send me a quick email. We can talk more details. I also have a ton of Amazon products in the description box. I get all the lowest prices, you guys. So if you guys are looking for anything workout related, go check it out. Freaking amazing. So let's start the video. Your shoulder is one of the most complex joints in the body. The shoulder joint is formed where the humerus, that's your upper arm bone, fits into the scapula, which is your shoulder blade, kind of like a ball in a socket. So again, when the video starts, I like to give just a little bit of anatomy, because if you guys keep watching my videos, I do switch it up. So every time you guys will know more anatomy, and that's really good because you get that mind-muscle connection, and the more you know about fitness, the better your results are going to be, in my opinion. So let's go over the exercises right now. I will show you guys how to do each one. So the first one is going to be the handstand push-up. This is going to be a little advanced. I'm getting damn good at doing handstand push-ups, and I'll tell you right now, it has literally took me maybe under a week to learn how to do handstand push-ups against a wall. But I don't have a wall down here, so I'm going to use this pole. And again, very tough to do, but I am getting better at doing them, and that's the thing with anything, you guys. If you want to improve, practice. Practice, practice, practice. You will suck your first time at doing it. Guaranteed. I could not do handstand push-ups. Now I think I'm pretty good at it. So I'll show you guys right now the handstand push-up. Again, try this out. It's probably the #1 exercise for your shoulders. It's more advanced. So if you guys are starting off, you can't do it, that's fine. Do the other 2 exercises I'm about to show you and then work into this. But remember, when you're doing this, do it against a wall. It'll be a little bit easier. Don't put a hole in your wall. And just remember, again, things take practice. When I first started doing handstand push-ups, I failed miserably the first 2 or 3 days. Now I'm getting better. So I'll show you guys right now. Handstand push-up. So again, the main goal is just getting onto the wall or getting onto whatever you're doing and then just completing the push-up. This will work your freaking shoulder muscles like no other. Trust me on this. Okay. Oh, freaking amazing exercise, you guys. I love that. It is way harder to do on that pole just because I'm not really balanced at all, but I could still do it. And if you guys notice my shoulders, this is hitting your front delt, your side delt, and your rear delts, because guess what? All of them are stabilizing that movement. That movement, if you want to hit all 3 heads, do the handstand push-up. It's freaking crazy. Okay, the next exercise that we're going to do is going to be the reverse burpee. You guys have seen probably the normal burpee. I'll show you guys what I mean by this. You guys may have seen the normal burpee before. So a normal burpee, you're just going to go on the ground like this and then go up. So that's a normal burpee, right, guys? You guys have probably never seen the reverse burpee before, though. Guaranteed. I don't think anyone is. I come up with like these exercises that I find, you guys, they're freaking crazy. So the reverse burpee, all you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the ground, kind of like a burpee, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna push yourself off the ground. It's freaking it's so hard to do, but once you can get it done, so you basically go down and push yourself up. So again, go down on the floor, kind of like this. Go down for a burpee, but then come push yourself back up. It's pretty tough to do. I'm not gonna lie, these exercises are not easy to do, but they are possible. And again, this will work your front delt. Like my front delts are on fire, you guys. I just did this workout myself, actually. So again, I'll show you guys again what you want to do. You want to go to the ground, kind of like you're doing a burpee. So you want to start off here, then go down, get into the burpee position. But instead of jumping up, you're going to push back. It's very tough to do. You feel it in your shoulders. Like my shoulders right now are pretty pumped. Amazing in my opinion. I would highly recommend doing that. Okay, next push-up. This is for beginners. This will work pretty easy to do is going to be the Pike Push-Up. Again, easy. I say it's easy because I do these lots. So what you want to do is just go on the ground, make this position kind of like a V. Now all you're going to do is do a push-up. Okay, you guys. Those are the exercises. You guys can see my results. Body weight exercises do work. If you want to get big shoulders, freaking phenomenal. These are the exercises I recommend you guys do at home. Maybe start off doing a Pike Push-Up. Work your way into doing a reverse burpee and then do the handstand push-ups. That's what I would do in my opinion. You guys want to know reps, sets, how long to rest? Reps, I would recommend going a little bit higher because your shoulders can take quite a bit of volume. So reps, I would say 20 repetitions. Sets, depending your frequency during the week. If you train 3 times a week, your frequency is going to be a little, or your sets are going to be a little bit less. In total, for your shoulders, I recommend anywhere from 12 to about 16 to 18 sets per week. So if you're doing it 3 times a week, you could do 6 sets per day. So you could do 2 sets of the handstands, 2 sets of the pikes, 2 sets of the reverse burpees. These just give you some other options, you guys. I have thousands of exercises. I have so many freaking exercises. So this channel is going to be exploding. I like the amount of videos that are coming, you guys, are crazy. Lots of exercise variations, and a ton of knowledge videos. I'm a big believer in knowledge, health, wellness, and longevity. It's not just about working out, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video, share it. Also check out my description box for the online personal training and the Amazon products. Peace.